Now, where did I put that three-piece suit? A red envelope. Could only mean one of two things. Secret admirer, or someone wants to murder me. Miss Landlord. Definitely a love letter. Let's see. 3 months overdue on rent. Yeah, I got till end of next week. Great. Another one for the pile. Yep, honeymoon's definitely over. This is my journal. I don't go anywhere without it. Definitely not for publication. I used to scribble down my engineering notes back in the day. Now it mostly contains my thoughts.
With the help of We Deliver, anyone can enjoy the luxuries of the mainland. We deliver anything, anywhere. I, Harold F. Girther, guarantee it.
Seeing as the island's unemployment rate is higher than ever, you will be happy to know We Deliver is hiring. Hurry over to their main office now on 13 Farrell Street.
So, a couple of years back, all roads led me to St. Monique. That's where everything kicked off. The Girther clan, they were the talk of the town. The big man himself, Harold, practically had a halo around his head in these parts. He's a chip off the old block, as far as visage goes, at least. Donovan, well, he was a piece of work. Iron-willed, ruthless, and stiff as a redwood. I should go there ASAP. Desperately need a job. Where'd I put the damn keys this time? Breathe, Winston. You know what? Screw it. Not as if my life hasn't been completely stripped clean anyways.
Well, this car, it's Mr. Palmer's, my somewhat eccentric neighbor. He lets me use it now and then, all for just bringing him his groceries. He's often up on the roof after sunset. Odd habit. Oh, come on. Mr. Palmer left the car in reverse.
Okay, let's give it another try.
You're nuts! Enough! Taste this!
I should use the company car. What was the name of that company again? We Deliver? I should head there. Hopefully they still have a spot open. I guess I can always check the tourist map if I lose my way. Oh, jeez.
Call the cops! Take that!
Just a scratch.
What a peculiar place.
Please don't step in it.
Right. Hi. Where can I find the administrator?
Which one? The nice one? Or the asshole?
Oh, the asshole. Gee, I don't know. The former? Looking for a job.
Desk, warehouse, or courier work?
There was an ad on the radio?
Ah, Harold then. Good for you. At the stairs, 1 floor, office. Can't miss it.
Thank you.
Oh, and please don't step in it.
2nd floor it is then. This door, perhaps? Remember, this is your life now. Wonder what Winston from 2 years ago would say if he knew.
Come in.
Here goes nothing.
Yes? Can I help you, young man? Yeah, shoot. Where are my manners? Harold F. Girther, CEO, but you can call me Harold. To what do I owe the pleasure?
Winston, sir, Winston Green. I heard an ad on the radio, said you're hiring?
On the radio? This morning, you mean? Wait. Now, that was a while ago. They must have mixed their tapes up. How embarrassing.
You mean there's no job?
Oh, I'm sorry, son. You're not from here, are you?
Well, actually, I grew up on a farm, sir. A couple of hours south of New Reed.
Ah, a farmer's boy. Oh, necessity is the mother of invention,
Place is a goner now, though. The highway project saw to that.
Oh, that damned highway. Winston, this is Donovan, my son. Donovan, this is Winston Green. He came here looking for work, but...
We're not hiring right now, remember? Christ, don't tell me it's that damn radio ad again. It seems like you're out of luck, Mr. Green. Hope that damn host chokes on his mic. Anyway, wanted to remind you about that report. You know, Allison, hate to fly up there empty-handed next week.
Donnie's sharp, good with numbers. However, a business is more than that. It's about reciprocity, community, people, trust. Tell you what, I've got an idea. Go down to storage, find Johnny, tell him Harold sent you to run a few deliveries, and he'll set you straight. In the meantime, I'll make some calls. When you're done, return to me and we'll work something out.
Thank you, sir.
Least I could do. Good luck, son.
Where's Johnny?
Ah, you must be Winston. I'm Johnny, the linchpin of operations here at We Deliver. You see, I'm the one who orchestrates the flow of everything, from the tiniest paperclip to the largest orders. You'll be receiving your assignments directly from me. It's crucial to understand that I have refined these processes to perfection over my years here. Adherence to my methods is not just expected, it's essential for our collective success. Remember, Winston, in this pond, I'm the one who keeps the ecosystem balanced. I look forward to seeing if you can swim with the current. A company car is parked outside. Go find it, and I'll call you on the radio with instructions for your first delivery.
Gee whiz, smells like a fish market in here.
Winston, there is a parcel waiting for you at a shop at the north side of St. Monique City. The Palm Royal are preparing for their big Vicennial celebrations. You are to transport something they ordered as part of their grand finale.
Oh, you're here to pick up the Kiloton Calamity? Great, it's out back. Where do you need me to sign? Just wait for a moment before you load it up, okay?
Huh. Okay. Seems my time at the farm was good for something. Get the water! That was weird.
Whoa, shit! That's enough! Tit for tat.
Extinguisher. Sky is exploding. Crap.
Let's settle it. Tit for tat.
You're next.
Well, you done it.
Time to ante up.
Time to ante up. Now you've done it.
Watch out!
Now you've done it. Got a grip. Holy smokes. That's it.
Let's settle this.
Take cover.
Take that. Let's settle this.
Enough.
Fight me. Get shaky. Screw loose.
Payback.
Oh my
God.
An eye for an eye.
Are you sure that I should sign for this, sir? I'm just a bellboy, and this doesn't seem right.
Can you believe that the customer paid extra for additional packaging, Winston? What nonsense! I ignored that, of course, and was able to save money for the company. A good businessman is always searching for ways to save money, Winston. Remember that.
I should find my pickup truck before I use the radio. I'm all set for the next delivery.
Winston, there is a customer with a parcel waiting for you outside of the Sunset Sip.
Oh, shit.
Watch it.
Hey, over here. Hey, pal. Glad you showed up. I just need you to load up this crate of fresh melons.
Don't believe a word that man tells you. Those fruits are far from fresh. They stink to high heaven. He tried to fool me first, as if I wouldn't recognize inferior products.
Honest mistake, miss. Someone must have pulled one over on me by selling bad produce. Hey, buddy, what's your name?
Winston, at your service.
Pleasure to meet you, Winston. First off, I need you to drive to Sunkissed Farms.
Watch the melons.
I bought these melons for cheap. Never mind what the old broad says. We'll find a buyer, just you wait.
Eyes open. So many melons. Enough.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with these fruits that can't be fixed with a bit of razzle-dazzle.
Just a scratch?
Watch the melons.
How am I supposed to make any money back when you turn the cargo into a fruit slurry?
Picture this, folks. You wake up in the morning feeling like a sack of potatoes, but with just one dose of Super Sunshine vitamins, you'll be soaring through your day like a rocket. Now you might be wondering, what makes Super Sunshine vitamins so super? Well, folks, it's simple. These vitamins are derived straight from the golden rays of the sun itself. We've captured the very essence of sunshine and bottled it just for you. Unleash the power of sunshine within you by venturing to your friendly neighborhood grocery store.
Just a scratch.
Buddy of mine works here. Says I can borrow their pesticide washer. No problem.
Drop them. Watch the melons. Don't drop them.
They're going through. Hurry up and catch them. That takes care of the smell. Next up is Dave's Dyes. You park the car under the outlet and give it a good spritzing while I go talk to my buddy, the foreman. Hey, Freddy, old buddy. How's the missus? Come on, Winston, get going. I can only keep him distracted for so long. Look at that marvelous shine. Now, bring them over to the Sunset Sip.
Ooh, yikes.
Watch the melons.
My bad.
So many melons.
Need glasses.
How am I supposed to make any money back when you turn the cargo into a fruit slurry?
Damn.
So many melons. Need glasses. I've had it.
How am I supposed to make any money back when you turn the cargo into a fruit slurry?
So many melons.
Oh, now these look excellent. I hope this taught you a valuable lesson about trying to get past me with inferior merchandise.
Thanks a bunch, partner. I'm off to celebrate this little caper with a drink. I'll probably choose some other joint, though.
I should hurry back till we deliver.
This is a scratch. Jeez.
Ah, Mr. Green, I presume.
Yeah.
I'm Gordon Victus. My apologies, Mr. Green, but we are closed at this hour. Hence why I'm sitting here, guard dog as I am. Woof.
Right. Would you mind opening the gate now?
Would I mind? Why, of course not, Mr. Green. Of course not. A quick question before you go, though, if I may.
Yeah?
I have 3 heads. Cut off 1, I become stronger. Cut off 2, I become 10. Who am I?
What?
Think on it. You go on in now.
What the hell?
Mr. Green, was it? Seems you're late. My father used his heart for a compass once again, I see.
He insisted I be compensated for today's misunderstanding.
Well, he is a gentleman. Yeah, this morning, couldn't shake a feeling of deja vu. Do I know you from somewhere?
Doubt it, sir. I'm from a
farmer's boy, south of New Reed, I heard. Why, Johannesburg, Copperhead?
Tannerson.
Is that right? Huh, interesting.
Yeah? Why is that?
Not a lot of...
Winston, you're back. How did it go?
Well, all things considered...
He's late.
Give the man a break, Donnie. Remember your first day here.
Hardly comparable. Oh, wait a second. What do you mean, first day?
Winston, I've done some thinking. We could use another hand.
For the love of...
Don't mind Donnie, he'll come around, you'll see.
Thank you, sir.
Don't mention it. Well, it's getting late. See you Monday morning?
You bet. Donovan, what's his problem?
Just a scratch. Oh, shit. Watch out! Damn. Need glasses? What's that noise coming from the roof? Yeah.
losing it. Am I? No, no, there are monstrous worms right beneath us. The kind that gulp you down before you can even blink. They sense every shake, every shudder of the earth. You've got to be crafty, Palmer, if you're going to reach that emergency ration box across the block. Yes, that's it. The rooftops, they are the key. Jackpot. You've got to be crafty, Palmer, if you're going to reach that emergency ration box across the block. Yes, that's it. The rooftops, they are the key.
It's all a matter of perspective.
Cha-ching!
I should get this back to Mr. Palmer.
You got them! Bless you, child! Now remember, stay light on your feet. Those worms, they're always listening.
Oh, another letter.
The Atomic Energy Commission. Frickin' AEC. Dear Mr. Green, as a matter of national security, your request has been denied. Reckless behaviors cause great harm and forfeits any future rights to demands. The agreement was mutual. Must stress you put this topic to rest, lest we may have to take decisive and irredeemable actions. Government property. So we'll look for other collaborators on future trials.
Stanley Division.
I wish I never have to hear that name again.
It's a long day.
Off to dreamland.